Hey guys, today we are going to be making a place where your minifigure can stand and they can surf, or at least pretend they are. I got this design from Andrea's pool party, so yeah.
These are all the pieces you need?
Yes. Now let's get started. Now I'm going to move the camera right here. That should be good. Now we are going to start out, no, not with that. We are going to start out with this 6x6 base plate. What we are going to need is this. I'm going to place one here and the other right here, like that. And I'm going to need this, okay? So I'm going to stick it through here. I'm going to stick the other side in, like that. Now this is where the waves will be.
No, isn't that where the surfboard
No,
will be?
the waves. And we need this. So just in case if you can't see it, it's a 1x4
With knobs?
with 4 knobs. Like that. Then we are going to need this 1x6 flat tile. It must be blue because this is like the front so that it won't look bad. Okay, now we're gonna turn it over like this so we can see the other side, the left side. Because if I'm doing it like this, then this is the left side. Now I'm going to need this piece, and then I'm going to need another one of these 1x2. I think they're called 1x2 Technic bricks.
Can I see? Yeah, they're called Technic bricks.
So I'm going to need this one.
I think it's
1 inch. 1 inch. We'll need one of those. Need one of these. And need this. And then finally this.
Do you know what they're called?
No. Okay, so I'm going to start out with this. And I'm going to take this and slide it on. I think that's, then I'm gonna take this one. I'm gonna put it in. So I'm gonna take this. Then I'm going to need this tire sort of piece. What is this?
I don't know.
Okay then.
I don't think we can measure it with studs.
So I'm just gonna take this off temporarily. Now I'm gonna put it on. I'm gonna put on this tire sort of piece. Like this. Now this is how we are going to be moving it. Now I'm going to take this. I'm going to set this off to the side. This is going to be the base. I'm going to take this piece, this 2x4 plate. I'm going to put it down like this. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to need 1, 2, 3, 4 of these pieces.
2x2 with, I don't know what they're called.
Okay, so I'm going to put this down right here and this one down right here.
And then do the same thing on the other side.
Like this. Now, I'm going to need a 1x2 jumper plate. And I don't know.
1x2 curved pieces.
What is that? What is that?
Let me see.
No, not that.
That?
Yeah. Okay, let's not waste time. Okay, so I'm going to use this 1x2 jumper plate. I'm going to put it down right here. This is where the surfboard will sit. Now, take this. Okay, so I'm going to take this. And I'm going to place it right here. Put it down. And then we have this surfboard place. next what I'm going to do is I'm going to take 3 1x1 plates. I'm going to take 3 of these. I'm going to put this on here, like this. And then I see where the waves are pointing, so I'm going to put this down in the same direction, like that. Like this. So, okay, now we are going to make the background. Now this one has a sticker. I got the sticker from Andrea's pool party set. So, I'm going to need this. So we're going to build the speakers. Now we're going to need these 1x2 Technic bricks. And then we are going to need these. And these 1x2 plates. So I'm going to do the same thing. So I'm going to need this one. I'm going to take this and put it on top. And this one, put it on top. Then I'm going to flip it around. I could put this one and do the same thing for the other one. Okay, so these are the speakers. Now, let's put them up. So I'm going to take this. Okay, so I'm going to take this. Now I'm going to take this 1x4 plate. Now this 1x1 with hook. I think 1x1 with hook on the side. I don't know. I don't know the piece names, but I know how to build. Okay, so I'll need this 1x1 plate. I'm going to put it on. Like this. Now, I look at where the waves are pointing, because this is going to be set down right there. Now, wherever the waves are pointing, I'm going to make this one also point the same way. So, and finally, I'm going to put the speakers, and I'm going to set them in and turn them at an angle like this. Okay, now the last step, you take your surfboard, then you see where these jumper studs are? You set down the surfboard there. And then over here, I'm turning it. And yeah, that is how you build it. So if I want to take a minifigure, let's see, which one? So I'm going to take one from the set. Stephanie here. Or maybe we'll take a different one. That's a me doll. Okay, so I found this one. Okay, so I found right here. Found this one. So I'm gonna set her down here. Like this. Oh no. So, yeah.
And then on the back, there's a handle for you to turn it. See how it's going up and down?
So yeah, I guess that sums up this video. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.
Bye.